Hello everyone, in this video we will look at how to read analog voltage using the ADC on an STM32F4 microcontroller and send that data to a computer over USART2. We will go through the code step by step together. At the beginning of the code, I include the required libraries. STM32F4XX.H is used to access hardware registers, and stdio.H is needed for the printf function. Since this is a bare metal implementation, all configurations are done at the register level. And the light function. This function creates a simple software delay. Since I am not using hardware timers, I use a for loop to generate an approximate delay. This prevents the UART output from updating too quickly. And printf redirection. Here I redirect printf function to USART2. The IO path char function sends each characters one by one through UART. I check the TXE flag to ensure the transmit register is empty before sending data. And clock enable. First, I enable the clocks for the required peripherals. I activate GPIO, ADC1 and USART2 using the corresponding RCC registers and GPIO configurations. I configure PA1 as analog mode because it is used as the ADC input. I set PA2 to alternate function mode and select AF7. This allows USART to transmit data through this pin. UART's configurations. For USART2, I set the baud rate to 115,200, assuming 16 MHz system clock. Then I enable the transmitter and activate the USART module. I also send the test message for debugging. And ADC configuration. For the ADC configuration, I set the sequence length to 1 since I use a single channel. I select channel 1, which corresponds to PA1. I also set the sampling time for more stable reading. Then I enable continuous mode, activate the ADC, and start conversion using a software trigger. And main loop. In the main loop, I continuously read data from the ADC. I wait for the AOC flag to ensure the convergence is complete. Then I read the ADC value and convert it into millivolts. Finally, I send the formatted result to the computer using printf over UART. Now I will upload my code to the STM board and demonstrate the UART data transmission to the computer. I'm now flashing the code to the board using STM. I'm waiting, shutting down, exit. Now I open the serial port using term and COM7, set up serial port, set the baud rate to this, okay. As you can see, the ADC value and voltage are continuously transmitted via UART, and when I turn the potentiometer, the values update in real time. At the minimum position, the value is close to 0, and the maximum it approaches 4095. This way I successfully read the analog signal and transmitted it to the computer via UART. Thank you for